Alright, Happy New Year everybody. Back from seeing all my family there in Albuquerque, and one thing I do regret is I didn't take any video or pictures of all the presents I made for them. So, anyways, I made them cool shit. But this video I just wanted to show two new things I got from my shop that I'm very proud about. Before you see it, oh, you can't see it. I finally got my badass machinist tool chest that I've been dying for. It has everything I usually use for smithing, like all my diamond files and everything for when I'm sharpening my blades and making knives and everything. And all just the tools I normally use because I hated having to go and dig around back there. It's a mess. But this is my favoriteest fucking thing ever. Check this out. Shazam! This is the baddest railroad tie or railroad fucking track anvil you've ever seen. And it's actually made here in Pueblo at the steel mill by one of the guys that works in the machine shop. He's like the lead machinist there. And this is an experimental track that they just put out like 2 months ago. And as you can see, the reason why it's experimental is because the webbing here is 2 inches thick. Most webbing is only about 3/4 inch thick. And this, he said, was they're getting ready to develop a new track for like 200-ton cranes and everything. But it has a milled finish, perfectly flat. He actually put a sick fucking horn on this thing, and it's just perfect. I mean, there's no imperfections whatsoever. And as you can see, it has a really nice taper to it. And yeah, he put the holes in there so I can secure it down to whatever I want to secure it down to. And like I was telling him, every single railroad track anvil I've ever seen, I've seen some alright ones, but they're usually pretty shitty compared to this one. I mean, this is fucking professional fucking shit, man. The step on there is perfect. It's all milled. I mean, this thing is just badass. I'm fucking super excited about this. This is going to be strictly used for making knives. And I'm just very proud of this thing. This is the coolest fucking little railroad fucking track anvil I've ever seen, and it's mine. And it is the last of its kind, because he's retiring and he's never going to make one again. And it being experimental track, there won't be another one like it. So, right on. Hope you guys had a good New Year and a good Christmas. This year is going to bring a lot of fucking fortune and fucking glory, baby. Govannon Ironworks out.